Hello friends, welcome to my Excel YouTube channel, that is Excel Yoga by Krishna. Today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to plot a line graph in Excel. So basically this line graph is used to show a comparison of two quantitative data. Suppose for an example, in your company, the actual budget of something is like 10 lakhs. Okay, so but the sale has been done more than that. So you have done a tremendous job in your company. So how can we plot that graph and show it to your MD or CEO, so that he will be happy with your performance? So to show that, let me take you to my Excel screen. Yeah, this one. So this is this data I will show you by months. So this is 12 months data from Jan to December. This is my actual data. Let's just say that this data is in lakhs, and this is my budget. Suppose for an example, your like I just told you, your target is like you need to achieve 90%. You need to do 90% sale in 12 months. Okay, 90% sale in 12 months. But you have done 100%, and that's a pretty good job that you have done. Congratulations in 12 months. So you have achieved your goals. That's a great thing. So how can you show this to your MD or your manager, so that he will be happy with your performance? So in this video, I will not show that exactly, but I will show you something similar. The way how you can present that data to your manager. So this data is by months. So from Jan to December, actual data and budget data. So what I can do, I'll just remove this thing. Yeah. So I will select this whole data, month, actual data, budget data. I'll select this whole data, then click on insert. Here I'll get lot of graphical options. So what chart I need for this data? This is, you can also select this recommended charts, so that it will show you what chart you can use to represent this data. This is the intelligence that Excel helps you to show your data. So I think you are pretty smart if you have done 100% sales in your company. So I can just select this data and directly go for line charts. Okay. So I want my charts, this one. Yeah, it's a pretty cool chart. So my chart title, I will change my chart title over here. My chart title will be sales by months. No, yeah, it's you can say this is sales by month or something like that. But for this, I can show actual versus budget data. So actual versus, okay, this looks pretty cool. Okay, then I will remove the grid lines. Select this grid lines and click on this delete button. Cool. I want my labels appear on this one. Then I can select this labels, add label. You can right click on this lines and add labels. Okay, but it doesn't look good, right? I mean, if I have only two things, that is my actual and budget data, why do I need this amounts, or this sale quantity over here, sale amount? I don't want this one. So what I can do to represent my data so that my manager would be happy? Let's just say that simply I can show that this is the line for my budget, and this is the line for actual. Actually this much was allocated to me, and I have done this far, so it's a good thing. What I'll do? Well, I will just put my series name over here. That is, this is budget, this is actual, so that it will be simple. So I can put my series number over here so that it will be simple and clear. So I'll just resize my plot area size. This is my plot area and this is my chart area. See, this is my chart area and this is my plot area. So for that, to show the series name only, I will add my data label in the end. Okay, so I will add this data label, and also for this one also I will add my data label. You can double click on this so that you can select only the last the end data label. Okay, so click okay, it's just added that. So what I can do, I can select this label, right click on it, format data label. You can format your data label, and now here it's showing the leader lines. I just want to show my series name, that is actual data. Click on series name, it has selected everything. I think I didn't see that coming. Okay, actual series over here, labels. I think something has gone wrong, so let's just select again. So it's selected, format data label, value, it has selected just the values. Now I will something gone wrong. I will select this one, something is not. Oh, format data label, series name, value. Yeah, it looks good. So it is now budget data. So instead of that data label, now it is taking the series name. I'll double click on this, format data label, remove this one, something gone wrong. Then I will have to select that again. Cool. I'll add the data label. Let's add it. Then double click on this, format data label. Let's click on series name. Remove these two things. Okay. See, actual and budget data is now there. So series name is there. I just wanted this one to be shown in my chart. Then what I'll do, I will just resize my plot area so that it will look fine. See, it looks good. I can do a little resizing the chart area also. So it's showing budget data for this line and actual data for this line, this below line. So it's very simple and clear to the client that this one is the budget data, this one is the actual data. And I don't want to show this data over here because this is, we always work on data. So what I can do, I can change my table name from actual data to actual and budget data to budget. See, it's changed in my data. You can directly copy this chart and paste it in your PPT so that your client will be happy with this presentation, that it's a bit different from the regular charts. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're clear with this one, and if you have any doubt or something, you can comment me in my under my videos. And if you want to see more videos from basic Excel to advanced Excel, you can go to my YouTube channel, that is Excel Yoga by Krishna, and under that I have a lot of playlists for advanced Excel, macros, chart and all, so you can go over there and watch it. Thank you guys, thank you so much, bye bye.